Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine, if you don't already know, and today is going to be a quick summer glow glam. I'm finishing off my face with the Beaudd & Co. Hydrating Toner. I will have everything listed below on the description box for the steps and what I used for my face prep. Now I'm getting the Airspun loose face powder. This was right after I put my Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. As you know, most people already saw it on TikTok, so I figured I'd try it with this look. And for an outside hot day, like, I feel like it really worked very well. It made my skin very smooth and it looked more refreshing and alive in this process. I'm not sure how something like that simple could make a big difference, but it really did. So now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's dewy because I wanted that glow, and it's the color beige. And since I added very little foundation, I'm just going in with the kabuki brush just to spread that all out. I just want more of that clean look, and you know, sometimes our face or our skin on our face don't really agree with us. So my face was actually not too bad, but I went ahead and did it anyways with the kabuki brush. And then now I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I used to love this concealer, especially just for natural looks with no foundation. But I went ahead and started using it again. And it's 122 Sand. And as you see, I'm putting it on the main points of my face, trying to lightly cover up the dark circles, but also lift my face more. So now I'm just going to blend it all in with this dry beauty blender. It's kind of like, it has two sides of it, but I'm using the larger side and just lightly dabbing all that in. So I reopened my Airspun and I had still a little bit of the translucent powder left in there. So I'm just using it to contour my nose because I'm not going to add any contour on there. Really, it's just more of a natural contour. And I'm going to let that set just a little bit. I don't like to set under my eyes because I don't want it to over dry and start creasing. But pretty much the main points just to bring more of a highlight to it. And the bottom part of my contour, I want to make sure that I'm just blending the translucent powder fully in, just because I don't want like a straight white line on there and it doesn't blend properly. It'll look ridiculous. I did put some on the side of my lips just because that's usually my darker area, so I'll let that set. And I put a little bit on my eyelids as well, just to give it a little smooth touch to it since I added concealer. And now I'm going in with the Fit Me coconut powder. It's $3.55, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. I usually use a foundation or a cream contour, but I went in with powder because I just want a very light bronzed look to it. I don't want too much of a contour. Like I said, I'm trying to go more natural. My focus points are really just glowing and cheeks. Also, using this large fan brush, it just really gives a precise application. I feel like it really shapes up exactly where I want the contour perfectly. So that's why I use the fan brush. So now I'm going to blend out the rest of the translucent powder that's around my face, and I'm going to go back in and clean up the bottom of that contour with whatever is left over on the brush. And just lightly, you kind of spin the brush a little bit out as you go, and that way it doesn't completely remove it, but it also just sets it more in. Alright, now for my favorite part, because I feel like the cheeks is what really brings life to me. I'm going in, if you don't know already, if you've seen my other videos, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Bright Idea Rose Petal Pop. It's more like a highlighter, as I explained in my other videos, and that's why I love it, because it still gives that pink blush look, but very soft, and it gives me also a glow. So it was amazing. I love the whole dewy foundation with this rose petal pop, and then I added a little bit of the NYX Cosmetic Bright Idea Lavender Lust as well, as you're about to see, and focusing just a little bit more on the higher ends of my cheeks, just because I wanted to bring a little bit more of a dewy, natural glow. I'm just really feeling the glow again. Like, I actually backed off of highlighter for a little bit. Like, I wasn't too big on it. But now that summer's here, that's like the fresh looking skin I want. So I hope you all like it. Now I'm going in with my other dry beauty blender and just really spreading out that rose petal pop, and also blending in the highlighter a little bit more. And here I'm adding my Revlon lip gloss 245 Pango Peach. I just started adding my lip gloss because my lips looked like dry and I had like concealer everywhere, and I was like, no, I need a little bit of lip gloss. So I did do a little bit backwards. But that's all I was going for, was lip gloss. And then here I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which you already know, without lashes, this is life. I probably would have added lashes to this look, but honestly, I just was like, let me just add mascara. So after this, I tried adding my setting spray, but unfortunately I ran out, as you can see. But I hope you beauties all love this look. I do. It's really fresh and glowy and fun. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if you like it. Bye!